So now let's have a look at key audit matters and going concern. Now, the first case I want to look at is where the going concern is totally appropriate. All right, so the company is a going concern in our opinion, but we have some doubts, and we have big doubts. We have material uncertainty, but we do think it's appropriate. So we think that this material uncertainty has been disclosed adequately by management. Now, because they've done everything right and we've just got a doubt, a big doubt, then we're going to give an unqualified and unmodified opinion. We're going to say everything shows a true and fair view. But what we are going to give is a material uncertainty ongoing concern paragraph in our audit report. Where does that go? If you remember my little way of remembering it, only bad materials emphasise knowledge only. This is it, material uncertainty, ongoing concern. That's the opinion, that's the basis of opinion, and so it'd go directly underneath this paragraph. So, what would this paragraph refer to? It would refer to the disclosure by management. So the disclosure by management, which if you remember, look, we think is adequately disclosed, it would refer to that. It'd say, go and have a look at note 4, and we would say, and a material uncertainty does exist, but our opinion is not modified because of this. And because we're referring them to this disclosure, that disclosure should say everything that we need to say. We say, yeah, it's adequately disclosed, and so therefore everything is fine. Therefore, we've got this one paragraph here, which means we do not need a key audit matter explanation on it as well. That would be too much. Okay. Next, I am going to go and have a look at a different case here where maybe it's not disclosed adequately, or maybe it's not a material uncertainty, maybe it's less than that, it's just a small doubt. Okay, so see you in the next video.